Investigating cell phone towers and comparing telephone and mobile phone. Technology Grade 7. Lesson Objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to understand what a cell phone tower is and how it works. Compare the features and technology behind landline telephones and mobile phones. Recognize the advantages and disadvantages of both. Explain how cell phone towers enable mobile communication. Introduction. Question to learners. Who has used a landline telephone before? Can you live without your mobile phone for a day? What is a cell phone tower? Also called a cell site or base station. Tall structures with antennas. Sends and receives signals to and from mobile phones. How do cell phone towers work? Your phone sends a signal, radio waves. The tower picks it up and forwards it to a nearby tower or switching center. This connects your call or message to the other person's phone. Coverage areas, cells. Towers cover specific geographic zones called cells. Overlapping cells means continuous mobile coverage. The need for more towers. More people equals more data equals more towers. Taller buildings and hills can block signals. Urban versus rural needs. Environmental and health concerns. Concerns about radiation, visual pollution. Regulated by health and safety standards. What is a landline telephone? Uses wires and cables to transmit voice. Was common before mobile phones. Still used in homes and offices. What is a mobile phone? Wireless communication using radio signals. Can make calls, send texts, access the internet, run apps. Comparing telephone versus mobile phone. Feature landline telephone mobile phone. Connection wired wireless. Portability stationary portable. Features voice calls only calls, apps, GPS, camera. Power source no battery, works with power, rechargeable battery. Landline advantages. More stable during storms. Cheaper for long calls. Disadvantages. Not portable. Green circle mobile phone advantages. Portable and multifunctional. Disadvantages. Needs charging. Signal can be weak. Let's investigate group activity. Task. In groups of 4, compare landline and mobile phones based on how they connect, cost, features, reliability. Each group presents a short summary. Question time. What is a cell phone tower? What is one advantage of landline phones? Name 2 features of a mobile phone. Why do we need more cell phone towers? True or false, mobile phones use wires like landlines. Summary. Cell towers allow mobile communication. Mobile phones offer more features than landlines. Each system has pros and cons. Technology helps us stay connected.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.